Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to share about TCS NINJA interview experience. This video will be useful for both CSCIT people and non-CSCIT people because I have covered almost everything. Now let's get started. First thing you should know before the interview is written test result. After completing your written test, you will be receiving your result only after 10 to 15 days. And the second one is interview schedule. For example, if you have interview in Thursday morning, then you will be getting a slot only during Wednesday evening. So be prepared from the beginning because you can't do any last minute preparation. And the third one is interview platform. I was giving my interview in Microsoft Team. It may also vary. For example, you may give your interview in Cisco WebEx or anything else. And the things to do before the interview are, if you are giving your interview virtually, then in desktop you need to create the folder, name it placement document, keep these documents inside it. For example, if you have these mark sheets, please do scan and put it inside the document. And also have Aadhaar card original copy near you because they will do document verification, and also they will ask you to show the Aadhaar card before the interview begins. And things to check before the interview are, you need to wear only formal dress, you need to wear your college ID and have original Aadhaar card near you as I have said before. And if you are giving your online interview, then you need to check you have proper lighting, and you need to check whether your audio and camera all working, because if you have trouble with your audio quality or camera quality, they may reschedule the interview. This will put you in trouble, so you can check it before itself. And be ready to join the interview 10 to 15 minutes before. Be punctual because if you have interview in 11, they may also call you at 10:45, or even after 1 or 2 hours they may call you, but you be punctual and join before. And about HR is, in TCS, you will be having technical round and personal round all together. So you will be having 3 HR: technical HR, managerial HR, and behavioral HR. Okay, and they will be asking question one by one. And the HRs are so friendly, so don't be panic. Why I am saying is, I was able to join my interview only after a hour of my interview schedule because they had some technical issue from their side. The HRs were very very cool, and they were asking me whether I am mentally and physically stable, I am ready to give my interview. They first made me comfortable and they began their interview. So don't be panic, be cool, confident, and present yourself well. And the interview begins as usual. I have said before, they have asked me to show my Aadhaar card. They have took the screenshot, and the technical HR started asking question. The first question I was asked is, tell me about yourself. In this question, it is all expected, so you can prepare yourself and present it well, because from this answer you will be asked further question. In this question, what you all need to include is your name, college, and what language you are familiar with, projects you worked with, and what technology you like. These are main thing that you need to add in your answer. And the second is, they asked me to explain about my project. I haven't done any IT project, but I have done 2 core projects. They asked me to explain about it. And the third one is, which language you are familiar with, she asked. I replied Java. So she started asking question from Java. The first question she asked is, explain polymorphism in detail. I have answered it. And she was asking what is an array, and I have answered it. For these technical questions like polymorphism, abstraction, or any other technical question, try to give real time example so that they will understand that you have understood the topic so well. And next she was asking, are you aware of a database management system? I said no, but additionally I have added, I know it is an important concept in IT field, so I will learn in upcoming days. And she said okay. And she asked me to explain the IT technology that are related to my field. I was belong to biotechnology, so I was talking about biosensors, how IT technology is used in biotechnology. This question is very important. If you belong to some other branch, then you need to know how the IT technology is used in your field. And if you have worked with any other project that related to IT and correlate with it, and you try to answer it, because it will give some good impression. And she asked me, have you done any project in Java? Because I was told I'm familiar with Java. She asked this question. I said no, because I haven't done any project, and I said I have only theoretical knowledge. And she said okay. And managerial HR started asking me the question. First question he asked is, why code to IT? I answered like, in lockdown I was practicing lot of coding and I was exploring technology, so I tried for TCS, and I was got selected in first round. Now I'm giving interviews, so I'm eager to work in technology and like to explore it. I have said the answer like that. So he said okay, and he asked me immediately, what are the technology you are aware of? And I told like artificial machine learning, IoT and cloud. And he asked me to explain IoT in detail, and I was explaining IoT in detail to him. And fourth question he asked is, do you aware of TCS bond? I said yes, I'm aware of TCS bond. It has 1 year bond. If you break that, you need to pay 50,000 approximately. I was explaining about their rules. And the question next he asked is, how long you will work with TCS? I said, as long as company provides me self growth project, and and explore to technology, I will work with TCS. He said okay. And he asked me what I expect from TCS. I replied work culture, because as a fresher, I need to explore lot of technology. TCS should provide their support for me to explore lot of new technologies. I have said that answer. He said okay. For these kind of question, you try to give the practical answer. For example, if you're he is asking how long you will work with TCS, you can't reply like, I will work as long as TCS till the end. You can't give that impractical answer, so always try to give practical answers. And last he asked, are you ready to learn new technology? I said yes, I'm ready to learn new technology. And I have also added TCS providing lot of Udemy courses for their employees to explore new technologies. So I will use those opportunities and I will enhance my skill. And he said okay. And the behavioral questions were asked from personal HR. And the first question he asked is, what I do in my free time? I replied cooking. Cooking is my hobby, so I like to cook in my free time. And he said okay. And the second is, why TCS? And I said TCS is one of the biggest MNC, so I like to work with TCS. It provides job security and provides lot of opportunity for freshers to explore the technologies. I have gave this answer. He said okay. And the third question is, could you present your screen for mark sheet verification? He was asking me, so I was presenting all my mark sheets to him. And I was giving my interview in sixth semester result was only published. I was not getting any mark sheet, and he asked me to show the mark sheet. So I was going to my college website to show him the CGB and all those. If you don't have any mark sheet, then take the screenshot of the official website that the result published and put it in the desktop folder. That would help you. And he asked me, any questions do I have? First I was asking, how was the training that given for freshers in TCS? He answered. And I was asking him like, what are the skill set that I should have before joining TCS? He was also answering that. Again he asking, what do you have any question? I said no, because I don't want to ask him questions again and again. And at the same time, you can't leave it without any questions. You can ask him one or two questions if they were asking you any questions, or else you can leave it. And the tips and tricks to crack the interview is, be well prepared, because for example, self intro question and the oops concept question are very well expected, so you can prepare it from the beginning itself. That would help you to boost up your confidence in interview. And the questions are arised from only your answer. For example, I said, in lockdown I have explored lot of technology, so I like to work with TCS. And immediately he asked, what are the technology I'm aware of? I have told certain technologies, and from that only he picked one technology and asked me to explain in detail. So don't lie any answers, be honest with your answers. That will help you. And the third one is, be polite and confident throughout the interview. And the last is very important, try attending mock interviews and practice yourself, because that will give you confidence. Ask yourself question and practice yourself. And that's all. And you will be getting your round 2 result after 1 or 2 week from placement department. For more updates like placement interview experience and placement question, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.